Hello Saints! In this video I will show you how to search for attendee records in a more advanced search function using the numbers recording system. Now this function is only available if you have the district serving one's account or if you have the locality serving one's account. Okay. Once you log into your account, on the left here, the sidebar, under responsible areas, you see reports. Then you just click on attendees records, and here you can filter a number of different queries. Okay, first we can look for, let's say, saints who've been to Lord's Day meetings. Okay, from maybe January 1st to May 31st. Okay, in these 5 months. And I want to know maybe just the Island East District. Okay, and the ones who come to Lord's Day meeting. Okay. Come at least, let's see, this is 5 months, so about 15 Lord's Days, maybe half the times, who come at least half the times. Okay, so about 8 times. All right. 20 actually. 10 Lord's Days. 20 Lord's Days who've come about half the time. That's 10. Okay. So then you search. Okay. And here you get a list of all the saints who have been to at least 10 times the Lord's Day meeting from January to May. Great. Now, this is a lot of saints, 54. Let's say if we up the attended count, maybe if they've come 15 times, okay, then you can, in this case, update the current search. Great. Now you get a 23 total count of saints who've come at least 15 times. Okay. Now you can further filter this list. Let's say I want to know, okay, great, it's great they've come at least 15 times, but have they come to prayer meeting me at least even once? Okay, then just go back in here, select meeting, and select prayer meeting. Okay, finish selection. If they've come to prayer meeting maybe less than 5 times. Okay. About 20 Lord's Days, 20 prayer meetings. So less than 5 times. That's pretty little. Alright, and then you append the current search instead of update. Okay, so that will add to the criteria. Okay, see here, a second criteria. So from this time to this time, these following are the saints who come to Lord's Day meeting at least 15 times, but only the prayer meeting less than 5 times. Okay, now you get about 14 saints. Now I just want to see who are the sisters. Okay, because I only shepherd sisters. Okay, so then you go here, filter by attendee info. You can click on the gender. Alright. Okay. Of course, you can do even more filtering, their age group, whether they're baptized, whether they're new ones, but I just want to know if they're sisters. So then again, update current search. Right here, it adds gender female, okay? And now, oh, there's only just 7 saints who've come to the Lord's Day meeting at least 15 times, but prayer meeting less than 5 times. 15 sisters. Okay. No, sorry, 7 sisters. Okay. Now I would like to maybe know who they are, their information, their phone number. Then I can download this list onto an Excel sheet. Okay. So here you can select the things that you want to download. Let's say I want their phone numbers. Okay, and I don't really care for their district because I know it's all East District. I don't care for the remarks. Okay. I just want to know their name, and I know they're all sisters already. Age group, their status, and their phone number. Okay? Then I click download. Great. Now, over here, again, you can select the things that I just selected earlier on the previous page. But now I also want to see their monthly meeting records. Okay, so I want to see when they've come to, these are sisters, when they've come to small group meetings, and if they've ever been to a gospel meeting. Okay. Okay, and then I can just click download. Okay, so then it'll bring up an Excel sheet, which is very printable. And then it shows me, okay, all their information, their name, their remarks, small group. Okay, so for example, in this first saint, she's been to the small group meeting twice in January, 3 times in February, and so on and so forth. So then it gives you a clear list of the kind of condition that they're in. Alright, great. Now that's an example of how to do a search query of different saints. If there's any questions, please feel free to contact the system admin. Thank you very much.